Unlocking the Secrets of Digital Products, your ultimate guide. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. One of the most common questions I get is, Tony, how can I build wealth beyond real estate and investing? And you know what? Creating and selling digital products is an incredible way to do just that. So if you've ever thought about creating your own digital product but didn't know where to start, today's video is for you. We're going to walk through everything, from brainstorming ideas to actually creating and selling your first digital product. We'll be covering all the essential steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to bring your ideas to life and start generating passive income. Let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down what a digital product actually is. A digital product is anything you create and sell online that doesn't require you to pack and ship a physical item. Some popular digital products include eBooks, online courses, and printables. Imagine writing an ebook on a topic you're passionate about, or designing stylish planners that people can download instantly. Digital products can also include software, stock photography, design templates, and more. The possibilities are endless, and everything is delivered digitally. Now you might be asking yourself, Graham, why should I even bother creating a digital product? Well, there are a ton of reasons why digital products are a fantastic opportunity. First and foremost, scalability. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it to an unlimited number of customers without extra effort for each sale. Second, low overhead costs. Unlike physical products, there are no manufacturing or shipping costs. This means higher profit margins for you. Third, passive income. After the initial work, your digital product can sell itself around the clock. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still sipping your morning coffee. That's the power of passive income. Creating a digital product allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of digital products. The first step is to brainstorm your killer product idea. Start by thinking about your skills and passions. What are you naturally good at? What do people often ask you for help with? Your skills and passions are gold mines for product ideas. Another approach is to identify a problem that people are facing and then create a product that solves it. The most successful products often address a specific pain point or make life easier for their target audience. Keep an eye on trends in your niche or industry. Tools like Google Trends can be incredibly helpful for spotting emerging trends. If you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, consider repurposing your existing content into a digital product. For example, a series of blog posts on a specific topic could be compiled into a comprehensive ebook or online course. Remember, the more specific you get with your product idea, the easier it will be to create something that truly resonates with your target audience. Take some time to really think about what your audience needs and what you can provide. Chapter 4. Step 2. Choose the right type of digital product. Now that you've got your million-dollar idea, it's time to choose the right type of digital product to bring it to life. This step is all about finding the perfect format that aligns with your strengths, your audience's preferences, and the nature of your product idea. If you're a natural storyteller, teacher, or expert in a particular field, eBooks and online courses are fantastic options. eBooks are great for sharing in-depth knowledge, captivating stories, or step-by-step guides. Online courses offer a more interactive and engaging learning experience. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy make it easier than ever to create, market, and sell your online courses. For all you creative entrepreneurs out there, printables are a fun and versatile option. Consider creating printables like planners, checklists, worksheets, or even wall art. If you're a photography enthusiast or a design whiz, selling stock photos or design templates could be your ticket to digital product success. Platforms like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Creative Market offer vast marketplaces for selling your visual creations. And for those of you with coding skills or a knack for building digital solutions, software or apps present exciting opportunities. Remember, the key is to choose a digital product format that excites you and aligns with your skills and interests. Don't overcomplicate things. Start with something simple and gradually expand your product offerings as you gain experience. Chapter 5. Step 3. Create your digital product. All right, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get creative. This is where you bring your digital product idea to life. Remember, the key here is to focus on delivering value to your audience. Don't get bogged down in perfectionism. Your first product doesn't have to be flawless. If you're creating an ebook, user-friendly tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word are all you need to get started. Once you're finished writing, you can easily export your ebook as a PDF file. For a more professional look, consider using a design tool like Canva to create an eye-catching cover and format the interior of your ebook. Creating online courses has never been easier thanks to platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy. These platforms provide all the tools you need to host your course content, create engaging lessons, interact with students, and process payments. If you're a printable aficionado, Canva and Adobe InDesign are your new best friends. Both tools allow you to export your printables as high-quality PDFs that are ready to be downloaded and printed by your customers. For aspiring photographers and designers, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are industry-standard tools for creating professional quality stock photos and design templates. If you're diving into the world of software or app development, you'll need either coding skills or the budget to hire a skilled developer. The key is to keep it simple. Focus on delivering value, and don't worry about perfection. Your first product doesn't need to be flawless. Chapter 6. Step 4. Set up your sales platform. Congratulations, you've created your digital product. Now it's time to set up your online storefront and start selling. The good news is, there are tons of platforms available to help you get your product in front of your target audience. The best platform for you will depend on the type of digital product you're selling and your personal preferences. If you've written an ebook and want to tap into the massive audience of Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a must-have. KDP allows you to upload your ebook, set your price, and reach millions of potential readers on the Amazon Kindle store. For creators of online courses, platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia offer comprehensive solutions for hosting, marketing, and selling your courses. Etsy, the beloved marketplace for handmade and vintage goods, is also a fantastic platform for selling digital downloads, especially printables. If you're selling software, a physical product, or want more control over your branding and customer experience, creating your own website is a smart move. Platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix make it easy to build a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. No matter which platform you choose, make sure it's user-friendly, visually appealing, and aligns with your brand identity. Your sales platform should make it easy for customers to browse your products, make purchases, and access their downloads. And that's it, your roadmap to creating your first digital product. From idea to creation and finally marketing it, you now have the steps you need to get started. Remember, the beauty of digital products is that they offer incredible income potential, flexibility, and the ability to reach a global audience. Don't let fear hold you back. The most important thing is just to take action. Start small, focus on delivering value, and don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what digital product you're planning to create, or ask any questions you have. I'd love to help you out. See you in the next video.